in this video, I am going to show you how to enable the LED light notification around the camera in this device. For this, we need to install one application. This application is easily available at the Play Store. This is the application Always On Edge. Just tap on it. Now we need to give some permissions to enable the LED light around the camera. For this, tap on Main Settings. Then here you can see the option Required Permissions. Tap on it. So here you can see some required permissions. We need to give all these permissions. Okay, the camera in this device. Just do all this step-by-step process. Yeah, after give all these changes, tap on Save at the bottom. You can see settings saved successfully. Now go back, tap on lighting settings. When you open this option, now here also you can see a small LED light around the screen, and you can see one light here. Now we need to move this one to here on the center area. For this, tap on Enable Notch Support. Then here you can see the option, the adjust manually. Select this one, adjust manually. Then from here you have to select the notch type. You can see some notch type, other, O, U, V narrow, V wide. So from here I am going to select the option U, and here you can adjust the notch width and height. Here I am going to adjust this one. Yeah, that's it. Now scroll down. If you want to increase the edge thickness, then select this one and you can increase this one. You can see, right? It increased. Then here you can see the option lighting placement. Tap on it. To enable the LED light notification around the camera, select the option around notch only. Okay, then here you can see the option edge style. Tap on it, and from here you can select any edge style. So here I go for the follow. Then here you can see the option edge color amount. Tap on it, and from here I am going to select the option rainbow. Now you can see a rainbow ring around the camera. After give all these changes, tap on Save at the bottom. You can see settings saved successfully. Now go back, tap on App Settings. Then here you can see the option when to turn on its lighting. Tap on it. So if you want to see the notification light while you receiving a new notification, then select this option and select the option Always Off or On your device. So if you want to see the notification light while you charging your device, then select this option and select the option Always Off or On your device. Then if you want to see the notification light while you listening the music, then select this option. If you want to see the notification light while you plug in your headset, then select this option. If you want to see the notification light after lock your device, then select this option. If you want to see the notification light after unlock your device, then select this option. Give all these changes. After that, tap on Save at the bottom. You can see settings saved successfully. Now I will show you how it works. When you receive a new notification, then you can see the rainbow notification light around the camera in this device. So simply here I am going to lock the device. Then also you can see the notification light. Just wait for a few seconds. You can see the notification light around the camera, right? You can see. So when you unlock your device, then also you can see the notification light around the camera. You can see. So when you receive a new notification, when you plug in your headset, when you charging your device, when you listening the music, all these times you can see the notification light around the camera. So simply here I am going to plug in my headset. You can see here I am going to plug in my headset. Just wait. You can see the notification light around the camera, right? So simply in this way you can enable the LED light notification around the camera in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this one, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more updates. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.